There is the birthday girl.
What's up, you guys? So today is day 2 of my birthday-cation, and we are at Maxine's. What is this? Maxine's Bistro and Bar. So we just made it out. We got dressed. Listen, we went to sleep. Well, I went to sleep super early yesterday. I woke up at 2 in the morning. She was literally talking about she was hungry from 2 a.m. to 7 a.m. I wanted to fight her, but I couldn't because it's her birthday vacation. Take a look at our food. It looks so good. We're sharing everything though, so that's even better. So I had the quesadilla, Quita ordered the burger, and we're just sharing everything. Yeah, baby. How was it, Quita? It's good. Okay, guys, we just made it to the Bal Harbour shops. We're just seeing, you know, Ri might want something for her birthday, so we're just looking around, gonna try out a couple of things that we've been eyeing for a little while. And yeah, I want a belt bag. So I think that's what I'm gonna be looking for.
What kind of belt bag do you want?
I don't know, a YSL, a MCM, we'll see. We'll see what they have in there.
And I'm gonna be looking at the mini Lou's in the different colors. Ri has one in the powder color, but I wanna look at the black and green. Ready?
There I go.
Let go. Hey. We are at Neiman Marcus and they have a really big sale going on right now. What kind of shoe is that?
I think it's Sophia Webster.
These are the shoes that Ri is trying on. They're by Sophia Webster. How freaking adorable are these? Oh my gosh. Yes, honey. Hey guys, okay, we just made it to dinner. We came to a place in Miami called the Lobster Bar Miami, and it's super pretty. I got a shrimp cocktail, crab cakes, some lobster bisque for our entree. We have stuffed lobster with butter, and it looks so good. It looks weird and good at the same time.
Weird and good.
What are you getting ready to do?
I'm about to do my bath bomb because it's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Hey.
So I'm gonna put one of the Lush bath bombs into the tub and let's see what it do. Come on.
Come on. Girl, it's a wrap for that.
All right, let's see. Whoa.
Why did you do that?
I don't know. Is that it? It's like watching paint dry.
Okay, so today is beginning to be very adventurous. Ri just left her phone in the lift and we're about to get on the boat, so we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. Look at her face, still pretty though. This is our room number on Independence of the Sea. It is 6577 and we're gonna give you guys a room tour. So you just walk right in. Right on the side of the door is the bathroom. It's okay. Then you have some closet space. Then you have some shelving units, the television, 4 drawers, and you have a big desk, and there is a mirror. And then you have a sitting area, and then we have, instead of a balcony view, we have a promenade view. And we did this because we planned this trip in 3 days and we wanted to spend as little money as possible. And then these are the smaller bags that we are bringing on the boat. I just have my Louis Vuitton pochette accessories, and then she has her YSL bag. Oh, I think she has her Gucci bag too, and then we both have our never full GMs. Okay, so we're about to go to deck 11 to sign a waiver. We're doing Trek sea diving. It's like you put a helmet on your head and you go under the water. Hopefully we could get some footage of that, so we're doing that tomorrow. 5-star dive center.
Hi, we have an excursion for tomorrow. We can't
nice.
do the waiver.
Okay, perfect. Which excursion you have?
The sea trek?
Yeah. Diving. Perfect.
Yeah, y'all going diving?
We are.
Okay.
Y'all braver than me.
What did you think about the excursion?
I thought it was amazing. I'm just sad that I couldn't bring my GoPro because I didn't bring the harness that goes with it. But I thought it was really nice. We saw, what did we see down there? We saw sea urchins.
Oh, we
Fish.
seen a seahorse.
A seahorse. The seahorse was huge.
Yeah, it was really big.
Yeah.
Not too close. Halfway to the throat, probably. What?